Okay, I know it's been a while. It's been 4 months, I think, since I made another video. So there's a good reason for that. Not really. So I just haven't bought anything really. So, you know, I haven't really had time. Work. That excuse. I've decided I'm gonna go back into this headphone game. A little bit back onto the no more phones really. I mean, I'm kind of out of that phase of custom ROMs, buying a new phone every 2 weeks. You guys have already heard it if you've been subscribed to the channel for a long time. So no more phones really. Still have the Fold. I mean, that's the best phone out right now, like TBH, until the Fold 2 comes out, which I don't even know if I'm gonna get, which I want to get just to have the newest thing, but as an upgrade it's not really that big of a deal because it's pretty much the same thing. It's a little bit better design, slightly bigger screen on the front and the inside, but other than that, nothing crazy. 90 hertz, no, 120 hertz adaptive refresh display. So other than that, it's nothing crazy. So I don't know if I'm actually gonna get that, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see if I can. I don't know if I'll be the first. I did sign up to be one of the first to order it, but we'll see how it goes. I just wanted to make this quick video as an unboxing because this company reached out and they sent me a microphone. So I've been reading the comments for the past 5 years. Everybody always likes to make fun of how I have these $5,000 headphone setups and my audio sounds like garbage. And right now my camera probably looks like garbage because I'm using a front-facing camera off my phone because I don't have a camera still. So eventually I'll buy one. Eventually I'll get into it. I just need to make sure that I'm gonna make videos and not just buy an expensive camera and just have it sit there and my wife looking at me, scolding me for buying such an expensive camera and not using it. I kind of want an actual video camera though. I don't want a Canon. I might just get a Canon because they're so cheap. They're like $300 but I want like an FS7, something crazy like that, or maybe a Sony HD video camera. I don't know, something like for video camera-ing, because those look cool. I want an FS7. They're like $3,000, but I'm not sure, but we'll see. This doesn't matter. Anyways, that's not the point of the video. It's the FIFINE technology microphone. So I will actually put the link in the description. It's the FIFINE C2A lavalier lapel microphone with an extension cord. So they sent me this out to review and to keep, so I get to use this for all my videos from now on. So now my audio will sound great and hopefully people won't complain. So right now you're hearing the Fold. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. And I'm gonna do a little untraditional unboxing. Instead of facing the camera, not showing you what I'm doing, I'm gonna show you right now. So here it is. Here's the box. Nice little box from Amazon. So you would just order it on Amazon. Prime shipping, 1 day, 2 day, depending on where you live. Maybe 3 day because Trump wants to take down the USPS. No, but comes with a little instruction booklet, so it just kind of tells you how to use it, tells you what it comes with. Obviously it comes with the lavalier microphone, extension cord, and a couple other accessories. Very easy to do on a smartphone. All you do is you just plug it in through the headphone jack, but since this one doesn't have it, you just use an adapter, a dongle, plug it in through the USB-C port, and that's it. Comes with extra little foam tips for the microphone in case you lose one. It's just a little foam, an extra clip mic, like a clip for the microphone just in case you lose it. So that's always good to have. It also comes with this adapter that got me confused the first time. So this adapter is for a camera or a computer with a dedicated microphone port. So you don't use this like straight. You don't plug the microphone into this and then this into your phone or into your laptop if it only has one port. You use this just if it has a microphone port or a camera with a dedicated mic port. I did not know this, so I was trying to plug in the lavalier mic to my phone, and I was like, it's not working, and I was like, crap. And then I figured, I read the instructions, and this is not for that. This is just for those two things. So make sure you don't use this, because then you'll just be stuck like I was. Also comes with this long, actually this really nice kind of vinyl faux leather little case, just in case you want to be very protective of your lavalier microphone and carry it around in this little pouch. Also comes with a splitter, so just in case you want to use, you know, a splitter, you plug the, I guess, lavalier into one. You can do two microphones because they both have little mic signals. So one microphone, another microphone, and then here's the end. But I mean, obviously, I don't know why you would need to use one. If there's another option, you can put it down in the comments. I'm not really crazy with microphone technology. You guys know I'm a headphone guy. I'm not a microphone guy. I'm not a camera guy. I don't know jack squat about any of those things. I only know about headphones and phones for the most part. But nice to have. So last thing is a 79-inch extension cord. So you can use this whole thing to use the microphone. So let's say I wanted to record and plug it in my phone right here. I could walk literally to the end of my room, which is 5-6 feet, and it still should reach because the microphone itself is 59 inches. The extension cord is 79 inches. So that's a combined weight of 100 and something inches. So a lot of feet. Pretty cool. You know, if you're, I'm assuming this is something for outdoor stuff. Like you want to do something outdoors, the camera's facing you, you have to go reach something, but you don't want to, you know, bring the camera closer to you. You can just use this, and it's pretty cool because you can just hook it up under your shirt so it doesn't look that crazy. That way you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on a wireless microphone like the Sennheiser ones or, you know, the other ones. So this is pretty cool. You know, it's nice to have. I'm glad they, you know, sent all this out. And then of course the final thing is the actual lavalier mic. So I've never had one in my life. This is the first time in my 24 years of living I've ever used one of these things. FIFINE, thank you. So all you do, it's already preset with a little foam tip, already has its own clip, but so these are extras just in case you lose it. So all you do is you just pretty much just plug it in right here, boom, and there you go. So that's it. This you would plug in to your adapter, your dongle, and that's it. Plug it into your phone, it should record. So we're gonna do some test samples, see if they work. Catch you in a good one. So you know what the best part about this microphone is? You get decent mic quality for $19.99. So I mean, they didn't tell me to tell you that, but I was just thinking about this. 20 bucks and you get pretty good quality. So if you have like a lesser camera, because I know the Canon microphones suck. You know, they suck really bad. The microphone off the Galaxy Fold is actually pretty well. It's a pretty good, you know, microphone. But anything else like a Canon camera, I just remember having that T5. I don't remember whatever I had before. It had a terrible microphone. That's when I got the most complaints on my videos. It was horrible. So this one should be good. So I'm just gonna do is I'm not even gonna stop. I'm gonna clip it in, and then I'm going to just plug it in. Yeah, I'm just gonna let off like one loose cord. So this is all I do. So here's the dongle, plug that in, and let's see, recording through headset. Boom, you should be able to hear me now. Maybe you can't tell that much of a difference. As I said before, the Galaxy Fold has a decent microphone. This is a decent microphone, so maybe it won't be as crazy. Maybe I'll be yelling too much into this. We'll have to play with it around a little bit. But this is great because now I have a good microphone. I just got a comment on one of my videos yesterday Said the same thing. Microphone sucked. What are you doing? So, I mean, other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for FIFINE for sending this out to me. Great microphone, great product. I'm going to be using it now from now on. So now I need Sony to send me an FS7 and then, you know, whatever. I'm going to try to be doing these uploads for a good while now. I have a lot of stuff I can do. I just ordered my Sennheiser HD 800s again for the third time. Yeah, third. I think this is going to be my third pair of Sennheiser HD 800s. No more electrostatics for me. One day I will buy the Sennheiser HE1s, Orpheus, maybe. But for now, HD 800s are, those are the go-to. But enough of that for now. I'm going to make separate videos on all these topics. Just remember that this channel is mostly going to be dedicated to headphones and phones. Nothing else. No workout stuff. I've gotten a few videos of workout stuff, of a few requests, but nothing. Obviously, my arms aren't even that big, you know. But yeah, just keep commenting, liking, disliking. I don't care. Anything. Keep the video, you know, going. Hopefully, this gets a few good hits for this company because, you know, they did a good thing. $19.99 free Prime shipping, and I'll put the link in the description. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you later this next time. Woo!